All right, guys, sorry for the raw video, but I had to shoot this quick because I don't see too many people talking about the original Xbox S controller. This is an application right here for my Xbox that tests out the controller. I'll post the link below for this controller, but I just wanted to post this video really quick before I forget because I have all these thoughts in my mind about it. A lot of these controllers, when you take them apart, they have your analog sticks here, and you can tell. Well, at first I couldn't tell, so I had to look for a test application. And shout out to the community over at Facebook Xbox community there that pointed me in the right direction. But this is the application here that's telling me that my analog stick, specifically the bottom right one, you can see it move, but it's not zeroing out. See that? It's not zeroing out like it's supposed to. Like that's not correct. That right there it is happening to the top left one, so I'm gonna take that one apart. But you essentially, what you gotta do is pop these little guys out, and it's gonna be a little ring. Okay, you see that ring right there? And you gotta replace these. I'm gonna try to clean it with alcohol, but I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna have to replace them because those sensors go bad and they go out of whack, and you're gonna have drifting, and you're gonna have problems like what you see here, where this guy's just moving on its own. And it's unfortunate, and it is what it is, but that is how you're gonna fix these guys. You gotta replace them. So I'll post a link below the video on that part. All you gotta do, it's really simple. You get one of these pick tools and you just pop out this guy right here. You just pop it out. There's 3 points that are soldered at the bottom. Don't worry about those. All you gotta do is just pop these out and replace that wheel on 1 and 2 to fix your X and Y axis there. All right, hope this guy helps you out. And I have plenty of these controllers that don't work, and so this is a great way to fix them. Again, this is for the Xbox original. Take care, guys.